Welcome to a fascinating journey into the world of birds in Oman, where beauty, intelligence, and creativity come together in the most extraordinary ways. Among all the birds that live in this region, one group stands out for its incredible skill and artistic talent, the Weaver birds, in the southern city of Salalah, surrounded by coconut plantations, green valleys, and coastal breeze. These small birds create some of the most beautiful nests found in nature. Watching them at work is like observing tiny architects building hanging homes with precision and dedication. The creativity of Weaver birds are named for their unique ability to weave nests using grass, leaves, and plant fibers. One of the most well-known species is the Baya Weaver, which is sometimes seen in parts of Oman, especially in greener regions. Male Weaver birds are the primary builders. During the breeding season, they carefully select long strips of grass and begin weaving them into intricate structures. The process starts with a simple loop tied around a branch, and slowly the bird builds a complex hanging nest that looks like a small woven basket. These nests are not only beautiful but also highly functional. They are designed to protect eggs and chicks from predators, heat, and strong winds. Some nests even have a long entrance tunnel, making it difficult for snakes or other animals to reach inside. The female bird plays an important role too. After the male completes the nest, the female inspects it. If she's impressed by the quality and strength of the structure, she accepts it and chooses the male as her partner. If not, the male may have to start again and build a new nest from scratch. Life cycle and lifestyle. The life of a weaver bird is closely connected to nature and seasonal changes. During the breeding season, males become more active and display bright colors to attract females. Their behavior becomes more energetic as they build nests and defend their territory. Once the female lays eggs inside the nest, both parents may take part in feeding the chicks. The young birds grow quickly, and within a few weeks they are ready to leave the nest and begin their own journey. Weaver birds are social creatures. They often build nests in colonies, with many nests hanging from the same tree. This creates a beautiful and lively scene, especially in areas with plenty of water and vegetation. Comparison with weaver birds around the world. Weaver birds are found in many parts of the world, especially in Africa and Asia. In Africa, species like the village weaver and the sociable weaver show different styles of nest building. The sociable weaver, for example, builds massive communal nests that can house hundreds of birds at once. These nests look like large haystacks attached to trees or poles, and are considered one of the largest bird-built structures in the world. Compared to these, the weaver birds in Oman usually build smaller individual nests, but their craftsmanship is equally impressive. Each species has adapted its nesting style based on its environment and climate. Other birds in Salalah is not only home to weaver birds, but also hosts a wide variety of bird species due to its unique climate and geography. The region lies along an important migration route, attracting birds from different parts of the world. In wetlands and lagoons, you can often see the elegant greater flamingo standing gracefully in shallow waters. Coastal areas are filled with seagulls, herons, and sandpipers, while the mountains are home to birds of prey such as eagles and falcons. Another interesting bird found in Oman is the Arabian partridge, which lives in rocky and mountainous regions. Its ability to survive in harsh environments shows how diverse and adaptable bird life in Oman can be. Current challenges facing birds. Despite their beauty and importance, birds in Oman and around the world face several challenges. One of the biggest threats is habitat loss. As cities expand and land is developed, natural habitats such as wetlands, forests, and grasslands are reduced. Climate change is another major issue. Changes in temperature and rainfall patterns can affect food availability and breeding cycles. Migratory birds may struggle to find suitable resting places during their long journeys. Pollution also poses a serious risk. Plastic waste, water pollution, and air pollution can harm birds directly or affect their food sources. In coastal areas, oil spills and marine pollution can be especially dangerous. Human disturbance is another factor. Excessive noise, construction, and tourism activities can disrupt nesting sites and cause stress to birds. bird conservation efforts to protect bird populations. Conservation efforts are becoming increasingly important. Oman has taken several steps to preserve its natural environment and protect wildlife. Protected areas such as Al Ansab wetland provide safe habitats for many bird species. These areas are carefully managed to ensure that birds can live and breed without disturbance. Public awareness is also essential. Educating people about the importance of birds and their role in the ecosystem can encourage responsible behavior and conservation efforts. Simple actions like reducing plastic use, protecting natural habitats, and respecting wildlife can make a big difference. Tourist Guide for Birdwatching for tourists visiting Oman. Birdwatching can be a truly rewarding experience. The best time to observe birds is during early morning or late afternoon when they are most active. In Salalah, areas with water sources, plantations, and green valleys are ideal for spotting birds. The Harif season is especially attractive because the landscape becomes lush and full of life. Visitors should bring binoculars, a camera, and comfortable clothing. It is important to stay quiet and maintain a respectful distance to avoid disturbing the birds. Exploring wetlands, coastal lagoons, and mountain areas can provide opportunities to see a wide variety of species. Each location offers a different experience, from watching flamingos in shallow waters to observing weaver birds building nests in trees. The beauty of nature's builders-weaver birds remind us of the incredible creativity found in nature. Their nests are not just homes, but works of art, carefully designed and skillfully built. Watching these birds in their natural environment is both relaxing and inspiring. It shows how even the smallest creatures can achieve remarkable things through patience and effort. Conclusion: Oman, and especially Salalah, is a hidden paradise for bird lovers. From the artistic weaver birds to majestic flamingos and powerful eagles, the region offers a rich and diverse birdlife experience. As we admire these beautiful creatures, it is also our responsibility to protect them and their habitats. By respecting nature and supporting conservation efforts, we can ensure that future generations will continue to enjoy the